Simple ways to keep romance in your marriage alive. Hi, friends. Welcome to Marriage Realities, a comprehensive relationship channel. Today's video is all about the simple techniques to keep the romance between you and your spouse very much prevalent all through your married life. It is sad that after a few years of marriage, romance goes missing from your relationship. You wonder what could have happened to the intense romance both enjoyed during your love days. Without romance, you do not feel loved by your spouse. Romance is that much of a magic tool which conveys the love both have towards each other in no uncertain terms. What exactly is romance? It is the open, demonstrative way you convey your love to your spouse through your words or actions. A husband has a different perception towards romance, whereas a wife has an entirely different way of looking at romance. First, let us look at what sort of a romantic behavior your wife needs from a husband. Your wife likes it when you display your love for her loudly and clearly. She wants you to demonstrate your love for her by hugging her or kissing her without sexual intent. Your wife feels romance is when you make her feel beautiful by appreciating her beauty. But mostly, your wife is disappointed when you're not romantic towards her because you become staid and sober after a few months of marriage. There is absolutely nothing in your interaction with your wife which she will call romantic. What does romance mean to a husband? Mostly, your husband does not need great show of love from you to feel you are romantic. Does this mean your husband does not have any expectation about romance? Not as intense as yours. Your husband is more practical about his needs of feeling loved by you. Your husband feels fulfilled when you appreciate his ability, his capacity, and his capability. Your appreciative and encouraging words make your husband feel as though he has acquired great success already. This is how different both feel towards the romantic element in your marriage. During the initial days of your relationship, you enjoy romance in its peak. Both cannot have enough of each other. You do many things to please your spouse. You look attractive before your spouse. You display your love in an emphatic manner. You communicate with your spouse lovingly and with absolute friendliness. You're supportive and encouraging towards your spouse. But as years pass by, the romance in your marriage takes a back seat. Both no longer bother to make each other feel loved. Instead, your total concentration is now on your children, family duties, and financial commitments. It is indeed sad that most of you forget to keep the romance in your marriage alive and kicking after a few years of togetherness. You become complacent and routine in your interaction with your spouse. When romance goes missing in your relationship, everything between you becomes boring and lifeless. You no longer feel excited about your spouse. What happens to your relationship when there is no romance between you? You take your spouse for granted. You no longer communicate with love. Your interaction with your spouse is often heated and confrontational. You're no longer attracted to your spouse. You make everything about your relationship drift along in mediocrity and routineness. You never try to nurture your relationship out of its doldrums. When you live through your marriage so routinely, you will definitely feel bored with your spouse. This is the reason you must keep the element of romance between you active and thriving. Romance can literally reconstruct your dying marriage. What exactly does romance in your marriage signify? It is a passion you show towards each other. It is your open display of love towards your spouse. It is the tiny and intricate physical gestures you display to show your spouse that you have not lost your love towards him or her. It is a sexual intimacy that still burns alive in your relationship. It is the perfect body language you use which makes your spouse feel your love instantly without having to search for it. Can your relationship survive without such romance between you? Of course it cannot. Shall we see how you can keep romance in your marriage burning brightly? The number one way to keep romance in your marriage alive is by spending quality time with your spouse. Most of you spend more time with your laptop, video games, television, mobiles than with your spouse. Both have your mobile phones in your hand and spend your time in the social media as if your life depended on it. How ignorant you are about the intricacies of marriage. Your mobile phones are at best the latest and trendy means of communication. You should in no way replace your spouse. So, keep your mobile phone aside when you're with your spouse. Interact with your spouse to show that you like spending time with him or her. Does your spouse come to interact with you? You should turn towards your spouse to show him or her that he or she has your full attention. Listen attentively to what your spouse has to say. Your keen attention shows that you're interested in your spouse. Talk excitingly with your spouse as you do with your friends. Quality communication is the number one means to bring romance into your marriage. The number two way to keep romance alive in your relationship is through cute physical gestures. Most of you cease to touch each other with love after a few years of your relationship. Do you know constant physical contact between you makes your interaction romantic and heady? Yes. Your constant physical touch without sexual intent is the best romantic gesture your spouse drastically needs from you. And mostly, it is your wife who literally craves for it. What sort of physical gestures are they? Cuddling your spouse up to you when he or she sits beside you. Putting your arms around your spouse when you're walking in a crowd. Giving a sudden tight hug when your spouse is least expecting it. Looking directly at your spouse and giving a wide smile. Your spouse adores your direct eye contact. Your spouse feels you're a romantic person when you acknowledge his or her presence without ignoring him or her. The number three way to keep romance alive in your relationship is talking with friendliness. Most of you cease to talk lovingly with each other after a few years of marriage. You keep your love for your spouse locked within yourself and become too phlegmatic and practical towards him or her. Your attitude puts a clear full stop to romance in your marriage. So, do not be practical with your spouse. It makes your interaction boring and dull. Never be formal with your spouse. It kills the romance between you. Being romantic just needs a few simple tricks from you. Appreciate the good looks of your spouse. Talk humorously with your spouse. Talk about your day with your spouse. Talk about movies, sports, politics, or any innocuous topics. Talk encouraging words to your spouse. Appreciate the tiny contribution your spouse makes towards the family. Such interesting conversation between you shows that you have not lost interest in each other. It instantly makes your spouse feel that you are a romantic person. The number four way of keeping romance alive in your relationship is by being protective and supportive. Do you know most of you cease to be protective towards your spouse after a few years of marriage? When you're not protective, your spouse does not feel loved by you. When your spouse does not feel loved by you, romance bids goodbye from your marriage. So, never cease to be protective towards your spouse. When you spring to protect your spouse when your family degrades him or her, it makes your spouse feel protected by you. When you sit beside your spouse when he or she looks off color and inquire about his or her problems, you are being supportive. When you are protective and supportive, you show your spouse how much he or she means to you. When you show that your spouse means everything to you, it clearly conveys the message how alive romance is in your marriage. The number five way of keeping romance alive in your relationship is doing cute little things. Do you know it is the cute little things you do that makes your relationship romantic? When your spouse is cooking, help him or her. Buy your spouse surprise gifts. Gifting your spouse keeps the romance in your marriage vibrant. Watch the favorite shows of your spouse with him or her. Make a great day out of your wedding anniversary. Make the birthday of your spouse a great day to him or her. Talk passionately about the hobbies of your spouse. Show interest in whatever your spouse is doing. Do tiny little services to your spouse. Such cute things do not cost you a dime. But the way it transforms your marriage from the ordinary to the extraordinary is magical. You need not be a genius to know the tricks of being romantic towards your spouse. Being romantic just needs your interest in your spouse. Did this video make you understand that it is simple to keep romance alive in your relationship? Marriage Realities will have many such relationship eye-openers. Subscribe to my channel to understand your marriage in a new light. Press the bell icon for updates about my latest relationship videos. Make love forever until death do us part your relationship goal.